Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mr. Nuardi MED, the Honorable Mrs. Nelvia Ibrahim MPD. My name is Alnur Hijjah Rizka. In this occasion, I would like to present my research under the title The Correlation Between Students' Motivation and Their Writing Ability at the Second Year of SMP IT Syahruddiniyah. Well, the first is about background of the problem. According to Allen and Dweck 2005, state that motivation is a significantly important factor for academic learning and achievement across childhood through adolescence. Besides that, Harmer 2001 say that motivation is some kind of internal drive which pushes someone to do things in order to achieve something. And then about writing. According to Harmby 2005, writing ability is specific ability which help writer put their ideas into word in meaningful form and interact with the message. And then Cheng 2002 point out that writing is an emotional as well as cognitive activity in which we think and feel at the same when producing particular writing. Based on preliminary study at SMP IT Syahruddiniyah, I got some phenomena of the research. The first is some of the students are lack of motivation to write descriptive text. The second is some of the students are not motivated in learning English. The third is some of the students are unable to raise opinion or ideas in writing. The fourth is some of the students are minim of vocabularies, and the last is some of the students are not confident to train themselves to write. In order to solve the problem, the writer, I as a writer, limits the problem into the student's motivation and the writing ability at the second grade of SMP IT Syahruddiniyah. Next, about formulation of the problem. There are some formulations of the problem. The first is how is students' motivation in learning English at the second year of SMP IT Syahruddiniyah. The second is how is students' writing ability at the second year of SMP IT Syahruddiniyah. And the last is there any significant correlation between students' motivation and their writing ability at the second year of SMP IT Syahruddiniyah? There are some indicators of students' motivations according to state by Payne 2012 and Alstor 2013. The first is the students have a belief about their writing. The second is the students have goals in writing. The third is the students always have efforts to writing. The fourth is the student always share their writing. And the last is the students enjoy in writing activities. And then the indicators of writing ability stated by Jacob in 1981 in Shafi'i 2016. The students are able to express their ideas in written form, and then the students are able to write in a good organization. The students are able to write by using appropriate vocabulary. The students are able to employ the language use of writing, and last is the students are able to apply a good mechanic including punctuation and spelling. Next, about method of the research. The first is research design. My research design will be correlation in explanatory research design. According to Criswell 2011, page 338, define that correlation is a statistical test to determine the tendency or pattern for two variables or two sets of data to vary consistently. And then according to Criswell 2012, an explanatory research design is a correlation design in which the research is interested in the extent to which two variables could vary That is, where change in one variable are reflected in change in the other. The design of this research is pictured by the following diagram. Variable X is students' motivation, and then variable Y is students' writing ability. Time for doing this research is start from July until December 2020, and the location of this research is in SMP IT Syahruddinnya. Subject and object of this research. The first is subject of the research is the second year of SMP IT Syahruddinnya, and object of this research is the correlation between students' motivation and their writing ability. Technique of data collection. This research will be used questionnaire and test. For the sample of the research, population of this research will be 98 students, and then for the sample of this research is 98 students. So all of the students will be tested in this research. And then collect technique of data analysis. Descriptive statistics by SPSS 20 program. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.